Welcome to the Yukon, a wild land of mountains, rivers, and hidden gold. For over 100 years, people have come here chasing one big dream. Let's follow our friend Digger to find out how it all began. In 1896, gold was discovered in the Klondike, and the whole world went crazy. Thousands of dreamers like Digger rushed north, hoping to strike it rich. He could almost feel the gold in his pockets already. But the journey was brutal. Digger had to climb icy mountains and carry heavy supplies for miles and miles for miles. He's exhausted and freezing, yet he keeps pushing forward because the dream is worth it. At last, Digger reaches the river and starts panning for gold. He swirls the water round and round, washing away the dirt. When he spots a few shiny flecks, his heart jumps with joy. Soon, simple tools weren't enough. Miners brought in machines, pumps, gears, and water power to dig faster and deeper. Digger is amazed at how much more gold these clever inventions can pull from the ground. Then came the giant gold dredges, massive floating machines that chewed through entire riverbeds. Digger feels so small next to them. Mining was no longer one man in a pan. It was becoming a real industry. Fast forward to today, and mining looks totally different. Huge excavators, trucks, and smart technology do the heavy lifting. Digger has traded his pan for a tablet, planning every step with science and data. Modern Yukon mines are now worth billions of dollars. What started with a single gold pan has grown into enormous operations. Digger can hardly believe how far this dream has come. But with great power comes great responsibility. Today's miners work hard to protect the rivers, land, and wildlife. Digger plants a tree, reminding us that the future of mining must be clean and sustainable. From a simple pan to billion-dollar mines, the Yukon story is one of courage, dreams, and progress. Who knows what the next chapter holds? Thanks for joining Digger. Keep chasing your own gold.